Nowadays, women look for the hand blouse sleeves design latest designs of blouse sleeve designs. The importance of blouse sleeves to enhance the beauty of your sari is undeniable. These blouse designs are in different patterns and designs. The size and shape of the sleeves of this blouse are also different, such as short sleeves, long sleeves, half sleeves, full sleeves, and embroidery, print blouse sleeves. Today we will discuss some hand blouse sleeves design latest. Hope you like it. Hey, my name is Hiba and you are watching Stunning Designs by Hiba YouTube channel.